What is going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play You by Blanco, Marshmello, and Vance Joy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll karate chop your ankles off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 3 different parts throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as if you want the guitar chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. We're going to start with your verses. You're going to make this shape that's like a A major or A flat minor 7. You're going to bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger, and you're going to put your ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and you're going to pick E, A, G. Then you're going to go to, this is essentially going to be an E chord, but all you're going to do is you're going to hold down the 2nd fret on the A and the D string, and you're going to pick E, and you're going to put that pinky finger all the way on the 6th fret of the D. So now you could go your index finger on the 1st fret of the G, or of the 1st fret of the G string. Since we're gonna switch to here, I find it easier to 2nd fret on the A, 6th fret on the D, and it's just E, A, D, and then you're gonna move to the 4th fret of the D, 6th fret of the A, 7th fret of the low E, and just pick D, A, E, and then your 4th fret on A, hammer on to 6 on A, 4 on A, back to 7 on E. So that whole thing slowly, this is the first half of the verse riff, it looks like this. I can play that for you one more time. Now the second half of this riff starts the exact same way. The only difference is when you go to this chord here, you're picking the same thing, and then just back to the A string. So instead of, you're just, and then that is repeating for the verse. So all together slowly, the verse riff looks like. Next up, we're going to jump to the bridge of the song. It looks like. So we're going to be starting out on that same chord that we started out on the verse, and you're just going to, you can strum just the low E. I'm pretty sure in the song they're just very lightly kind of strumming the low E, or maybe even the low E and the A. And then you're barring, the entire 4th fret is barred, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna pluck your G string, hammer on to 6 with your pinky, and then pick the B. So and then take your pinky off and strum that same chord, but without the low E. You're just strumming starting from the A string, the E, D, G, and B, or the A, D, G, and B. So then you're gonna go to this version of this is a C sharp minor. All you need here is the 4th fret on the A string and the 5th fret on the B string. In the tab, I have made a way that you can kind of finger pick through this chord, so in that case you will need the full C sharp minor, which is bar the 4th fret, ring finger on the D string on the 6th fret, pinky finger on the G string on the 6th fret, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Technically, the easiest way to play this would be you're just plucking the A and B, and then you're going down to A and B on 7 and 9, and then to an E. Like I said, in the tab, I've tabbed it out to where you can do a little finger picking, which would be A and B, D and G, and then this version of an E chord, which is 7 on the low A, and then you're going to bar the 9th fret on the D, G, and B string. You're going to pluck A and B, and then D, G, so. And then back to this E chord, which is 2nd fret A string with your middle finger, 2nd fret D string with your ring finger, 1st fret on the G string with your index finger. And you're just plucking A, D, G, and B. Now I know that's all kind of confusing. I'm going to play through it very slowly, the easy way. Now I'll play through it very slowly, the way that I have it tabbed out. So you're here. And then that's the easy way. The way it is in the tab is that's the first half of the bridge. Second half starts the exact same way. Very lightly strum, and then you're going to pick G and put your pinky on the 7th fret of the B string. Same hammer on. Same strum. Now the easy way here is going to be back to that same 4 and 5. Then you go to 2 and 4. And then to that E. And the way I have it tabbed out is very similar to the first half. Pluck in A and B at the same time, D, G, and then this chord is the same. You're just moving it down to 2, 4, 4, 4, A and B, D, G, here. So again, I'll play this both ways so you can see what it looks like. This is the easy way. The way that I have it tabbed out is so I'm going to play through this a couple times slowly so you can see what it looks like. Here it is. Now we're going to jump to the chorus. The chorus is pretty simple. This is just going to be strumming through some chords. First chord is going to be this A flat minor. Same chord we've been playing, you're just going to play the full chord. So bar that 4th fret with your index, ring finger on the 6th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 6th fret of the D. Then you're gonna go to that E major chord, which is 2nd fret A with your middle finger, 2nd fret D with your ring finger, 1st fret on the G string with your index finger. And then you're gonna go to that B chord, which is index on the 2nd fret of the A, and then D, G, and B on 4. And your strumming pattern for that is gonna be down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. That B is gonna be twice as long as your other 2 chords. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.